Hi everyone, it's Michael from MDO Video to show y'all how to wire an air conditioning circuit board. Basically, this is the wiring that you would find inside of any air handler panel in an attic. It's a little bit different than this. Instead of light bulbs, you got other things. But there's some junction boxes. We've got our fan relay and our heat relay. Some terminal blocks, transformer. That box right there, I call that the motherboard box. That box is what is going to control everything on these boards. Everything. Every wire is going to go into either those two boxes. And then we've got this in our contactor. And so we've got a compressor contactor for our outdoor unit, which does our compressor and our outdoor fan and our disconnects. And we got a thermostat. So basically, we've got some different colored wires here, and I'm going to show y'all now. Let me get some power on in here so that we can, there we go. There we go. Alright y'all, so what we're going to do here today is I'm going to show y'all today how to wire up these boxes here. Okay, let me get something here. Here to put that on. Okay. There we go. Okay, so now what we're going to do here today is we've got our red and our blue wire coming off of our transformer, okay? We've got these wires are coming from our thermostat, and these wires down here are going to our outdoor unit, and these wires are our air handler wires. So what we're going to do here is we've got, I'm going to make this look easy, even though it's not. First off, we've got our yellow wires. We've got our yellow wire from our thermostat and our yellow wire going to our compressor contactor, which is outside. Let's put those together. Where did I put my wire nuts? Let me get my wire nuts. Okay. Let's put those together now, okay? Okay, let's put those together. So our compressor contactor, our yellow wire from our thermostat and our yellow wire going outside are going to go together. So most air handlers, your yellow wires are going to go together. Okay? Alright, let's get them. Then we've got our blue. We're going to put all of our blue wires together. Okay? And our blue is our common. And those are going to go together. Okay, there's that. Then we got our green, which is our indoor fan. And the green from our thermostat is going to connect to that. Now, typically I like to connect all my green wires, but what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take my green and we're going to take, and we're just going to use, then we're going to take our red, which is our power, to our thermostat. And we're going to connect that one. We've got another red coming out, and we're going to connect it, which is going to send power, 24 volt power, to our outdoor unit. Then we got our green. And we got our white. Our white wire is going to be our indoor heat. And typically, what I like to do is I like to use all of my wires. Now, typically you only take your indoor heat and connect it, but I'm connecting them just because future use for spare connections. Then we got our brown and our orange, brown and orange. We're going to connect them. And those ones we do not use. And that's pretty much it. How to wire an air handler control board. Then we got green, which actually... we're just going to use, and we're going to fold it up just like that, and that's it. There we go. All done. For right now, that's it. We've got some other connections to make, but I will show y'all those later. Have a nice day.